Nothing has had an impressive 2024 so far, marked by the successful launch of the Nothing Phone 2A. The company also introduced its latest audio products, the Ear and Ear A. As we approach the typical launch window for a new Nothing flagship phone, speculation about the Nothing Phone 3 is already building, even though reports suggest it won't be released anytime soon. Here's what we can expect from the upcoming Phone 3. The CEO of Nothing, Carl Pei, recently announced on Twitter that the launch of the Nothing Phone 3 has been postponed to 2025. The Phone 2 was launched in July last year, followed by the Phone 2A in March and a new color variant on April 29th. Given the strong sales of the Phone 2A, Nothing aims to maintain the excitement. To fill the gap, Nothing is launching the Phone 2A Plus on July 31st. The Nothing Phone 3 is likely to feature the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chipset, though it's possible that Nothing might opt for 8 Gen 3 processor. Despite being older, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 may still offer better pricing per unit compared to the 8S Gen 3. For that, we'll have to wait for performance and pricing leaks to get a clearer picture. Nothing's design philosophy has resonated well with consumers, as seen with the success of the Phone 1 and Phone 2. Leaked design concepts for the Phone 3 suggest a unique camera setup resembling a fidget spinner, similar to the iPhone 15 series camera island with 3 lenses. Another design concept by tech enthusiast David Jojua offers a different take. David from Moscow, Russia, shared his design concept for the Nothing Phone 3 in 3 colors, white, red, and blue, on the Nothing Community tab. The design looks stunning and has garnered much attention. David Jojua's concept for the Nothing Phone 3 highlights a unique and eye-catching aesthetic. The phone boasts a slim profile with a metallic finish, giving it a sleek and modern appearance. The side view reveals smooth edges and precise lines, suggesting a high-quality build. The standout feature is the rear design. The phone has a semi-transparent back that exposes some internal components, enhancing its visual appeal and aligning with Nothing's philosophy of transparency and innovation. The back panel is adorned with distinct LED light strips arranged in a circular pattern around the center, with additional strips near the top, below the horizontally placed camera. These LED elements, part of the phone's glyph interface, offer customizable notifications and visual feedback. The buttons are conveniently placed, with the power button and volume rocker located on the right side of the device. The overall design is minimalistic yet futuristic, reflecting the brand's goal to differentiate itself in the crowded smartphone market. David Jojua's concept for the Nothing Phone 3 aims to blend striking design with practical innovation, potentially offering a fresh experience for tech enthusiasts. Though it's unclear which design will be final. In terms of hardware, the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to include an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and a triple camera system with a telephoto lens capable of up to 5x zoom. The phone may also feature a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, a peak brightness of up to 2000 nits, and HDR10 Plus support. On the software front, CEO Carl Pei leaked a photo of Nothing OS 3 on his X account, formerly known as Twitter, though it is in development and is anticipated to launch alongside the Phone 3. Nothing OS 3 aims to enhance lock screen customizations with new clock styles and widget options. The update will also include a revamped widget selection and a new tray for adding widgets to the lock screen. A redesigned quick settings panel, long requested by users, is also expected in Nothing OS 3. The new design features a red accent in the active tiles, adding a touch of color to the grays and blacks. The bottom of the quick settings panel appears to incorporate a gradient effect from the media player thumbnail. Although details are scarce, interactive dot animations are another anticipated feature. These animations might apply to app icons and widgets, making them more dynamic and responsive. For example, a quick settings widget for brightness adjustment could display an animated brightness level indicator. Nothing is also working on new gallery and community apps, which are expected to debut with Nothing OS 3. The Gallery app, in particular, is highly requested by fans, alongside standalone dialer and calculator apps. Regarding the launch date, the Nothing Phone 3 is not expected to debut until next year. This news was shared by CEO Carl Pei on his X account, formerly known as Twitter, in early June. Pei mentioned the importance of perfecting the Phone 3 and integrating hardware and AI, which is why the release is postponed. Nothing aims to deliver a refined product that highlights its AI capabilities. Nothing is known for its proactive and engaged community, whose feedback significantly influences the development of its devices. With the brand generating considerable hype, expectations for the Nothing Phone 3 are high. So far, the company has launched 3 phones: Nothing Phone 1, Nothing Phone 2, and Nothing Phone 2A. The last one being the latest, which is Phone 2A. Now, Nothing has confirmed the launch of another device in their Phone 2 series, Following the Phone 2 and Phone 2a, Nothing is set to launch the Phone 2a Plus on July 31st. Before the official release, the company has been teasing key details about the device on its X account, formerly known as Twitter. You might be curious about the plus suffix. Today, we get our first glimpse into the puzzle, as the brand starts its signature teaser campaign, gradually revealing details before the official announcement. The Nothing Phone 2a Plus is also set to feature a special innovation that will distinguish it from its predecessor, the Phone 2a, and other devices in the same price segment. So hold on to the video till last. The Nothing Phone 2a Plus will feature MediaTek's Dimensity 7350 Pro chipset, an 8-core processor clocking up to 3 GHz, making it nearly 10% faster than the Phone 2a. For graphics-intensive tasks, it will include the Mali G610 MC4 GPU, which is said to be 30% faster than the Phone 2a's Dimensity 7200 Pro. This improvement promises enhanced performance for complex graphics and number-crunching tasks. Nothing has branded the Dimensity 7350 Pro as a world exclusive, though it's likely the standard Dimensity 7350 will appear in other devices. It's just the Pro version that's exclusive to Nothing and supposedly customized in partnership with Nothing. It was the same story with the Dimensity 7200 Pro in the Phone 2a, but there weren't any details as to what those supposed customizations were. The chipset, co-engineered with MediaTek, is based on TSMC's 4nm Gen 2 process, promising a 10% boost in CPU performance over the Phone 2a. Enhanced gaming performance is another highlight, with the company emphasizing improvements in this area. The new chip will enable 4K video recording on both the front and rear cameras, along with HDR images and HDR10+ playback. In a previous post on X, Nothing's co-founder Akis Evangelidis mentioned that the Phone 2a Plus offers more processing power and improvements that don't require changes to the hardware design. This suggests the Phone 2a Plus will maintain the same overall design and specifications as the Phone 2a, but may feature a larger display. Speculation suggests that this might be the same device that originated from the Community Edition project, which has been in development for some time now. Official teasers revealed a design identical to the Phone 2a, but with a unique addition: green-tinted phosphorescent material on the back. This material emits a subtle glow in the dark, recharging in daylight and lasting for hours, similar to features commonly found in watches. This glowing effect can be practical, helping users locate their phone in the dark or making the device visible to others. Now you might wonder how the material works. So to put it in simple words, when exposed to a bright light, the electrons in phosphorescent materials become excited and drop to a lower energy level, where they remain for a period of time. When they eventually return to their original energy level, they release the excess energy as visible light. This glow usually fades slowly over time, but the material can be stimulated to glow again. The Nothing Phone 2a Plus is positioned to bridge the gap between the flagship Phone 2 and the mid-range Phone 2a, with an anticipated price of around $358. Also, this year, Nothing has postponed the launch of its flagship Nothing Phone 3 to next year, announced by Carl Pei on his official X account formerly known as Twitter. To fill the gap and keep the momentum, Nothing is planning to launch Nothing Phone 2a Plus. We could also see some AI features integrated into the Phone 2a Plus, because that is what the market is demanding right now. More information is expected to surface as the release date approaches. Feel free to share your thoughts on the Phone 2a Plus in the comments. If you enjoy the content, consider subscribing. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.